Right, Bosch hammer. This is a GBH 11DE. Same as the 11E, but it's a boring hammer as well. What does she need? That doesn't sound right. It's not locking in. And it's just locked. Right, that's just not hitting right. It's a wee bit weak. Something wrong. And here too. Yeah. That tool holder's also worn out. It's going to need a service and a new tool holder. That's worn out. Bearing's gone too. Never like yellow leads. I'll just replace that as well. Plenty of meat left in the brushes, but there'll be a service pack in and anyway, so they'll still be replaced. This was not too bad. This oil seal is gone. There's bolts missing from this head too. No Loctite on the screws. As it happens, you don't put the Loctite on. You really need the Loctite for these top plate screws. Doesn't look too bad. Don't look too bad. Might get away with just a service now on this. Change a seal and bearing as well down on here. Pads won't even come out. You can see them pans moving. They're well worn out as well. Striker itself is all dried up. Hammer pipe is fine. And seals are going on a striker, actual hammer striker as well. If you look down that tool holder now, you'll see there's no wee 4 squares or 3 squares. So there'll be 2 here and 1 there, and that locks in to these channels in your chisel. So they slide onto the 3 squares, stops the chisel from rotating. The actual wee paws then just lock onto this channel, so they can hold the chisel on and take it out again. So that part there is gone. Need to replace that.